Hello, little explorers. Welcome to Shape Safari. Today, we're going on an adventure to discover different shapes and their special properties. Are you ready? Hello, little explorers. Our first stop. Welcome to Shape Safari. Look, today, we're going on an adventure to discover different shapes and their special properties. Are you ready? Let's go. Our first stop is the circle. That is round. It has no legs. Do you see anything that is shaped like a circle? That's right, we're up to this one. The sun, a ball, and its flashing are all circles. Great job. A circle is round. A window, or us, at the end. Tracy circle. Let's put a circle. Yes. We're off to this one. Let's square shape that in spot. Great job. A window, a book, and a gift box are all squares. A square has four equal sides. Four squares. Let's count the sides together. And the traffic 1, 2, 3, 4. Now a triangle is a two-sided. Do you see any triangles around the traffic? Line a sliding pizza, a girl next and the traffic circle. But a triangle has all sides. Let's count the sides are all right. 1. A rectangle. 3. Our next stop is rectangle river. Can you find the rectangle? Let's count sides together. A door, a smartphone, and a flag are all rectangles. A rectangle has both sides. The opposite sides in shapes or lines. Let's count the sides together. Stars are five shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's start. Eagle eye gets stars. Stars are special shapes. What are the most shapes? Can you see stars? Stars are five shapes. Right. Let's count rectangles. Stars. 1, shapes are every 4, 5. What are the amazing shapes are doing that shapes? Little explorers. If you had fun, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share this adventure with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more exciting learning journeys. See you next time. Bye bye.